Are you there? Alright, go on, man. Ready?
Come with that.
Good shit. Eat one time. That's our next thing. Eat one time.
Eat one time.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. I me try so hard then, want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them.
I guess I'm going to chat to one man. Who could I call? Flipper. Bro, what about
King of man,
you really look sick, man.
Yo, you know, so them tell me say sick last night from Germany, loan. I mean, I say, everything, him good, man.
I'm call you and I tell you. I'm going to tell you something like how Jim love. She not tell me sitting in the
I get a drive. So who could I go stay with him down there?
You don't say more about him. Jane, so where the clothes them there, I go carry?
Where clothes in there?
I go for about
Coach, I got change him?
Yeah, never end.
How long do you see go?
2 days.
2 days now?
Take care of him now, me and him there.
Yeah.
So I want to new moon and catch.
You don't know, nobody put down for your mind, yeah, nobody talk like.
Just go food and
Why you cough?
King, I want to her.
I need a cough, but I stop. But I vomit.
Oh.
And the next thing too,
Never get that one over me.
people body drop like bathroom. And people body not for drop.
Oh.
So it give me a bad infection.
So infection I pick up then?
Yes. I eat. So I can get a tip pill and good. But
You're feeling weak now?
I get some pill to the feet. But still one them, I'm stuck from taking it. Okay, anything I like to drink or juice from it up. If I take the pill, find out that I have vomit, I keep on the thing. So now one day for the infection, now the people back, have a people back, not for drop.
Yeah.
Not for drop. Come on to this, it's not for drop.
Yeah.
So I don't know if I got to me a beard and my act. And I'm something that I don't know which one. I said, you have to check up and see me.
No, man.
I said, you don't have to
They're
check up
called
and see me.
Robert.
Yeah.
Akeynote.
Yeah.
You're the local?
Yeah.
You're the close by?
No, man. I gonna come Japan. Somebody bring up my office. My old job.
Okay. Alright. And the thing is, and this happened one time, and I have my car as well too.
Want to rush?
Who that?
Fully rush. Fine rush.
Yeah. You might drive? Okay.
They can't speak. Sorry.
Guys, at least happened one time, and I have my car as well.
Yeah, never want it. I have one pack down here.
You can't go on.
Use that for everything.
Anything when me carry them come with you.
And I rip it up.
I am there?
This clean.
Yes.
I am?
Yeah, my request.
Yeah, tell them.
Rip up, power now.
I want to cover.
I go for your location.
Guys, boy, Jinjin really take down sick, so we have to try to get him to the hospital soon as possible.
All of my donuts there. I feel if you do for me in class. Really love you and I respect you and do so much for me. But you know, never do that for you there. soon as me pick up, you see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, so. I just want to tell everybody what I love and respect. You see me?
Yeah.
Love and see me, nothing never change.
Yeah.
Just because, you know, you're not bringing a whole part, I'm not going to
care once, may I get out? You're not wearing the clothes?
No.
You have Marina?
No, Marina and tear up.
Because remember say in them place are cold, you know.
You just want the pampas and the little shorts, and the sheet.
I have one black shirt, I mean, you can see some yes.
This?
One black shirt, some of them yes. You want it to fit on.
So you feel weak? Drain out. Kind of really eat nothing, you just have vomit.
No, I'm not eat. And so things that way I really eat on time because sometimes I have fun to clean, I'm not telling you no lie. Sometimes they have food or something. That's why I'm happy to have them. How good it feels.
Listen, you know why you panic?
Jin, just easy, no bad man, you go alright, dad.
Alright.
Just easy.
Prepare.
Give me the bag, man.
May I go for your sheet?
Yeah. Can I make you bring it down so? No problem.
The shorts, quality.
The show squad already?
No, I'm saying for the shorts.
No, I'm not short.
So cold.
You
wanna stay with him?
You wanna stay?
No, I'm so what? Nobody not have to stay with him.
No, stay with
me.
Yeah?
I was stay with me. Just want to get a feel to come up back.
Yeah. Because I'm going to make a follow down in the taxi. You see me? And so we can bring him in there. But the say no, remember say nobody have to stay there because once them have you in there, you now can come. You have your phone, right?
You watch it now. I suppose when I got emergency problem, I want to put my casualty in the family, wait and have somebody. Unless when I go down there, I'm going emergency like.
No, we're going to bring you through emergency and hear what them say. You understand? Because once them bring you in, which part of them bring nobody else now can go in there.
I blow the shot. But I'm put on this here, please.
Yeah,
Put on, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, no.
I'll go down there and see what I go with him.
Yeah, no, I'll come with them.
You come with him?
Yeah, I'll come with them.
You have to go put out something.
Alright, yeah. Alright guys, so we have to go. Really have to go with him down at the hospital. We're going to bring him down there, you know, because he's not looking good, he's not sounding good, he's not breathing good, and he catch up sick and he's been inside here because I was there on the road and he phoned me just not long ago say he's not feeling well, you know, and his eyes in a hole and all that good thing there, you know, so you know we have to deal for him, you understand, because he's here, I don't know, and with his disability, with him sick, is the man say it's not normal, so we're gonna go with him down there, you know, and imagine this happened when I don't get my drive, so we have to get a taxi now. I'm gonna bring him down there, and then next night he's gonna go on. I'm other time to you, Jin. Yeah, I reckon. Another time to Jin, you must come outside, get some fresh air.
You make every time to Jin,
Time to tell him, say.
You need
you can't pray yourself right now, bad man. You're done in a chair already,
You
brother.
barely take sun, but you take sun.
Don't take son, man, man think it hard, come on, let's have man time at the gate. And come take look at son,
I'm
brother.
tell you, we've been telling that the GinGin must come outside.
But put it in your bag, you want to put it on?
Put on one t-shirt for him.
If they want to pull over.
Pull over or something. I tell the man, say, yo, come outside, get some fresh air, get the sun, because you need that.
Yo, this man I see me a while ago and say, Nana, come here. Jin don't look like say Jin good. Come, Jin want a doctor, brother. Hey.
Call me a while ago and tell me.
I just come over and see it, I just say, no, this not look right.
You don't look right at all.
I just have to come out and come with you.
Yeah.
Are you not pour up yourself, brother? You are alright.
You ready?
Yeah, you ready now?
You have put the sweater in there, man.
Here, come.
I reach them, I see Prince come help there.
You ready?
Oh, Prince. Crazy.
Prince, you want you for that show the bag fee, me I give you 150.
Yeah.
I think it's true when I'm going back and I'm
Prince, show what about the theme, yeah?
Yeah,
Prince, I can't go through it right now.
Yeah.
Go on and come.
Let's lock up that. Let's lock up that.
Sure. No.
Him say I'm going to want this year when Kino.
Bring it see me, you have to go come see me because
No,
No, you can't use that.
Them are going to give a wheelchair down there. No, that means they might just lift you up, put you in a car and get a wheelchair.
the man get chair down there?
Yeah.
Alright then.
We got to say them are going to use it.
Well, I know we are dealing with this right now.
Jinjin,
Yeah,
man,
lift
lift
up,
up
man.
your
Yeah,
car
lift
when
up,
you get stretcher if you forget stretcher. Come in.
Come in now, you ready?
Come here.
Where your phone
Here
is,
up.
the charger, where the charger is? Pass the charger. Pass the charger.
Alone.
Pass the charger at your feet.
Inside like now. Yeah. Go help lift him out there.
Pass the phone. Pass the phone.
Prince, move out of it. Repa! Esther, what me do? What me do?
Phone are there now.
Yeah.
What's wrong, man? Are you there? Alright, go on, man. Ready?
Come with that, Prince.
Which is?
That's it. One of them. Come here, come as well, man.
Okay.
Just relax your phone.
And taxi. We can see. I was trying to look from behind.
Why you always
Jinjin
each
just
other?
Yeah, if you just come outside. A long time I think that Jinjin need to come outside, get some fresh air. Get this.
I already said wheel him car.
But still can't come out.
Wheel him, no. But chop and bunny the bus in my face. Out time. Because they tell the man that he said to wheel him car, man. Cave got me cave get to pay himself, bro. And wipe out the bus.
So we have some wheelchair, but we don't get them in. Them still at the storeroom, see them way.
Thank you so much. I'm going to do that.
I don't know. I have some things I buy for my mother coming up on the road. And when him call me, I say, who this? Because he doesn't sound like him neither. You know, it doesn't sound like him.
Voice gone.
Voice gone. Everything gone. He say, oh, Jin. He say, I'm eye in a hole. He don't feel good in my head. You can come check on him. So not no more, you know, I got an infection, you got to have up in him right now.
Come, people back dropping her back.
Yeah, man. An infection, a kid's couple, man.
Badly infection.
Yeah, my bro.
Bad enough to drop. But you see, true, man. I'm telling you, old job, I took the drop out of the chair, brother.
Okay.
So eventually drop on the ground and enough to drop.
Oh.
Yeah, enough to drop. Yeah, the chair not good.
I'll get back a chair first. Can I black some of this?
Man, I'm like, no, this is gonna be.
Next thing, no time now.
Now, eat one time. That's our next thing. Eat one time.
Like on
Now,
time.
more time on the food. So more time now for what it does.
Eat one time. Now, feed himself. You understand?
Yeah.
A week. You understand?
Yeah.
Sickness come up now. We can fight it. The system weak.
True.
Yeah. Adapting them,
Right.
Yeah.
Weak now. Who should say a key then?
You have the key?
Say a key now, but.
Let's make sure pull it up. Let's pull it up. Nobody now going.
Just lock it out and come down and I give you the key.
Yeah, him say if you lock it, so he might give me a key.
I don't want nobody going on my house, you see me?
Yeah.
I don't want to be a thief, see me. See key, yeah.
Yeah, we just hope we don't catch up nothing bad, infection or anything like that. But I put him on drip because I'm weak right now, so I'm put him on drip. So I'm gonna admit you.
Yeah.
Sure.
To find out what really caused it.
And you have your phone, right?
Yeah. Keep the post now.
Yeah.
We never want to catch up away from other people. So what we don't want to do?
Emergency.
Emergency.
We have to
read them like really full see. Because they have a camera.
Huh?
They might bring in one for me telling the situation.
Yeah, shot a bit. Respiratory, that's. Just stay sit up. It's good. Good man, about to panic, GinGin. About to panic yourself. About to panic.
Yes, sir. Next month.
Right, sir. Emergency. Take that wheelchair, please. In my breathing problem, sick, him weak, him eye gone, and all and everything.
That's my wheelchair.
Ready?
Sick, him and breathe short, him weak, him eye gone away. Yeah. Go me up in the bag.
We don't like
John, go on in my mother. John. No,
Alright guys, so we literally just come out the hospital, so they're running some checks. He's on drip, also they took some blood, so he's waiting now to see the doctor, and it's a very long wait because there's a lot of people in there. He's on drip, so it's starting to come on, and the breathing is coming on like a bit better now, so we're just waiting now. He's gonna give me a call whenever they're ready, and I will send a driver to go and pick him up, to bring him back home. So, we give thanks, everything is alright. We give thanks.
Oh, you're still on show.
Sorry. Yeah. Sometimes they would just come out, you know. So there you Daniel, you know I think Daniel never leaves the same way.
Yeah, man.
And the only living hero. Yes, yeah. So we're just waiting to see what's gonna happen, you know. So as I say, I'm about to wait because in there is a bit park. A lot of people in there. So I'm going to see the doctor and I'm going to also do an X-ray as well. So I already drop off the farm for the X-ray. So I'm going to do all of those things. So instead of going to have a wait, see again. We will keep you guys posted. So because we the man look pale, him eye gone, you know.
Yo, and while I go and see man, let me get thing walk out the house.
And the way him look though.
Rick Star, the man remind me as a brother.
Oh.
See him, so Rick Star, they looking a brother.
Yeah.
I mean, I say Rick Star, you're there, you're yard in a bed, and you're yard them gone in a hole, so to the hospital, brother.
Yeah, man, breach shot. And the man gets slim, same last couple of
ribs, them may look fun.
Get
Yeah, we're going now. We barely put no weed in there, just grab her. Just grab her, and you understand?
Yeah.
And look a bit of weed.
You better done with that.
Better, yeah.
Better done with that. Because you can't smoke and you not eat.
And the man itch up in the house too much. The man now come out to get sun. Yeah.
For real, brother.
The sun is essential and anything
Essential,
else, brother. Every day.
Yeah. Man, a vitamin that's the body, man.
Every day. I eat a food too.
Alright.
If you not eat proper food, but at least you get some sun food.
That is it.
The man now get no sun food. Cat, where you wanna go?
Life, him say.
Well, one just gone a while ago because it was somebody else.
Take it
a while ago. I see.
I'll be for me. I'll be a wickedness.
Yeah, man. So, alright then, guys. Peace. Well, blessed love, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or anywhere you are. Thank you for watching Kid Life in Jamaica. Alright, guys, so the situation with GinGin now, and they transfer him, they still have him, so they transfer him now to St. Joseph Hospital, you know, so because down there was even full up as well, so I never had no bed for like over a day, you know, so it wasn't kind of bed, so them transfer him now to St. Joseph, where at least he can get more attention as well too, because he must still have a shorter breathing and all of that, so, but he's feeling much better, not so bad now, that's how he was feeling, because trust me, he was proper weak, him eye them got no order, him literally like got really slim, you know, and he was really anxious because he don't know what's going on with himself also, you know, and he was panicking, and that's one of the things we never want him to do, him start to panic and everything. So them run some checks and them say he never give me a full information on what's going on as yet, you know, but we're gonna keep you guys posted and let you know soon as them get some result, because them do some sample tests or run some checks and we haven't getting a result as yet, you know, so just praying and hope all is well with him also, you know, so just keep him in prayers, guys, you know, and we're gonna keep you posted also. So I'm downtown here still to collect a box that's sent by Sandra as well. So this box was sent with some stuff in it, I think cranberry them, yeah, forget some stuff also as well too. So you know, guys, so you know we're gonna end up trying to go get them a surprise visit, and also we have an extended family also that send donation for us to literally buy grocery for them also. We're here today downtown waterfront, you know, we're here with yeah, so we're here with Pinedo, downtown waterfront.
Again, man, you see me I say, yeah, man, enough respect, man. One dream team, man, you hear that? Key life in Jamaica, every time, love on
every time.
You hear that?
And we have one Dynamite.
Blessed and one love.
Yeah. Whoa, you know?
Whoa, yeah, man, you know, up on the waterfront, man, you know, I go on with the vibes, you know.
Take a chuck off in a minute.
No, we can't chuck off going so in the car too deep. Yeah, man, so we have to start up and watch what I go on. You see me?
You can't swim?
Yeah, we can swim, yes, but I'm not running the risk there.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, we have to start up and watch what I go on.
Yeah.
And look on the ship them, so downtown with them man on a mall side, man. I hold it, man. You see me, I say? Blessed love.
So, I saw we go, Mr. Riley. Go check if Mr. Riley is here. Mr. Riley, that? I'm saying one. Blessed. Mr. Riley. This is Kino. Are you Riley? Oh, okay. Oh, no one you trick me, you know. Oh, Mr. Riley this. Oh, him look like a Riley.
Amen.
Are you?
Alright.
Vice heavy. You look like a Riley.
Yes, man, I'm Simon.
I'm Simon. So this is Kino.
Kino? Oh, I see.
To pick up the
Very
box.
good Kino, yes.
To pick up the box. So Sandra
Yes.
tell me about the.
Yeah, you came here the other day.
Yeah.
But
You're gone.
yeah, but you saw anybody inside?
No, it was locked up.
Oh, because I told Sandra that actually at 4:30.
Yeah.
Because
so
my pickup come at 4:30.
Okay, so this time the show come early.
At this box, huh? I think, yeah, this one. What is here?
Other box there?
Yeah.
I want big box, man. I think I want small box.
You can get a small box to take all these things.
Let me see what's inside. If it can take out and go in the car. I'm gonna think I want small box.
Well, you said some cornflakes inside here.
Yeah. That them you can hold. Okay, them can take out and go in the vehicle. Okay.
Yeah, man. Yeah, one next look like box in they can take out, you know. One next look like box in there.
And them stuff there as well.
You said some cornflakes in there, you can take it over and put it one side.
Yeah, alright.
Yellow box, can't put it?
No, we have a look box in there, so I look
what so you won't put the cornflakes on one side, you said?
Yes, it's what somebody is.
Okay, so which box is
You're
mine?
from the downtown area?
Trenchtown.
Which part?
Yeah, Trenchtown area. 3rd Street.
Oh, that's my area.
Yeah.
I'm from down below there, King Street.
Okay, Little King Street.
Yes.
So you know cool run them.
Cause them, man.
Yeah, cause them, can see it for you, man. Look like you feel run.
Run.
Yeah, man.
Cause
My boy have the goat them, you know.
Johnny.
Johnny, them have the goat them, you know.
Johnny.
Well, everybody.
Yeah, man.
So that means you don't know all my parents as well to from in a tent. You know,
Number 10 here.
From King Street in a tent. It's Blanchy.
Yes, man, number 10 right in front of me, man.
Yeah, in front of you. I used to do coolie dance.
Yes, Indian function, everything.
Indian. So my mother used to dance for Uno. My mother.
Number 10 is right in front of my house.
My mother used to dance for she named Christmas.
Oh, Lord God. Christmas, yeah, mama?
Yeah, Christmas.
Oh, my God. I like a girl that, man.
Yeah. And her mother named Blanchy.
Blanchy, man.
So our Sundays, Christmas Sundays. Remember, man, because the man who sell the fish next door.
Cousin, yeah.
Cousin.
Yeah.
Okay, you see. Remember, me and Baja, Rhea.
Yes, right.
I'm an uncle.
Alright. You're a long stranger now, see?
Marcel and Tuntun and the whole of them used to live in a tent.
Number 10, yeah, man.
Yes. See?
Number 10 is right in front of the church, you know.
Yeah. One family, you see?
Yes.
Small world. Small world. You see, son?
Small world.
You see, son? To know each other. Relatives and relatives.
Yes.
You know, relative and relative, you know, so this is your craft shop you have here?
Yes.
Okay. So you receive stuff as well?
From?
Overseas.
Yes, we do that.
Okay.
We import goods still.
Import goods. So you did?
No.
Okay.
Sandra's son is a broker.
Oh, he's a broker. Okay. I was trying to call her, but I'm not getting her.
Yeah, difficult.
Yeah, to let her know that I'm here, so I couldn't know what and what. So that's a cranberry.
That's a cranberry, yeah.
See on the side there.
That's
a cranberry. So she said the complex them so
it's for somebody.
For somebody. So when you see complex in there?
One side there, one side.
You see some complex in there?
Yeah. Like I innocent cornflakes.
You can't leave the back. No on the back. Hold up. My head drop something. Hold on, Pinedo. Yeah.
Just can't drop again.
Cornflakes in the jeans.
Cornflakes in there. in the box. See all worm name pan something, yeah? Worm name there. Cranberry. Key, you know. That prefix. So you have some name pan some box as well too. Esther. Yeah. Boom. It's a boom name as well. Jackson. I know what they on the box them, but I see the name upon them. Boom. So but when I see the cornflakes.
Yeah, see inside, you see that son?
We don't see cornflakes then.
Unless them take them out already then.
Could be.
Yeah, them take them out already.
Yes.
Kitchen stuff.
See, I'm mostly kitchen stuff and them stuff everything. So Mr. Riley,
yes, sir.
so tell me what you're having here. Let me give you a promotion. Because you say I should give you a promotion.
You got everything here, man.
Your voice every door.
Yes, man.
So what you sell here? So you see
everything right here.
All souvenir stuff.
All authentic goods.
All authentic goods.
Yeah,
you know?
man.
The tropical shirts, them guys, you know, once they come here, tropical
Yes.
shirts. Here we have them.
You got them all colors, man.
Water cups. Nice.
Yeah, all colors.
All colors.
All colors. All colors.
All colors, and this is Mr. Riley. Mr. Riley, give them your location.
I am at Ocean Craft Store, 1 number Pigeon Street.
Ocean Craft Store.
Yes, 1 Pigeon Street.
1 Pigeon Street. And you
Open every day and Sundays too. Holidays also.
Holidays too?
Every day, 7 days a week. And there was a 8 day, I will be here same way.
So you don't close no time?
No time, 7 days.
What?
Open.
You hear that?
Because the hotel send the people right over here.
Yeah, okay.
The Rock Hotel?
Yeah, send them over
Send
here.
them right here. Our prices are much better than many stores.
Many stores. Very reasonable.
Quite reasonable, yes.
Yes. Very nice souvenir stuff, craft stuff in here, as you can see, guys. The drawings, you know, the paintings, you know, the Rastaman with the jelly on him cat. See it here.
Alright, let me put that nice one.
Rastaman, I'll chop him jelly. So you know, Jamaican heritage, see it here? With the banana. You know, I always have to have a banana. Man with them banana roll through. Jamaican ball. Rasta. So these are the Rasta tam. They feel like, you want to feel a little bit like Rasta. You know? It's all good. So yes. You have some nice stuff. Nice craft stuff.
And we as time now to deal with tourists. Yeah man. We understand how to deal with them, you know.
Yeah man, for real man.
We don't rush tourists. Tourists, we don't rush them. How are you today? Have you enjoyed your stay? Please look around freely.
Yes.
You know?
You don't want to rush them.
No, you know, I don't walk behind them. Take your time, look around. You will find things that you like. And the prices are very good.
Can't complain.
No.
The price of my reasonable I was looking at just now. You know. So even this one of these. What are these? Are towels?
No, it's a scarf, you know, big one.
Oh, big scarf.
We have towels over there, beach towels, that's all.
Okay. So all reasonable 32 US for these elephants.
From St. Elizabeth.
St. Elizabeth?
Yeah, man.
Nice little craft shop, you know.
So keep in touch, Akeynote.
I will keep in touch. 7 days a week, guys.
7 days a week, non-stop.
Yes, man don't close no time
and
at all.
open at 6 in the morning until 4:30 in the evenings.
Okay.
Sometimes it's on, depending on the customers, no?
Same, always open.
Yes.
Always. You guys, let me show you. It's across from the Kingston Craft Market. Kingston Craft Market there. And it's literally right here.
You come along man, you see the 2 big flags along.
Yeah. So you see the 2 Jamaica flags on top there. Once you come along. You will see them.
Yeah, big.
You know, you were Rasta man.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Rasta is good, you know.
Yeah.
Rasta mean love.
Rasta father.
Rasta mean love, you know.
Yeah. One love.
One love.
Only love. Rasta. Yes, man.
So keep in touch, you know.
Alright, Mr. Riley. Pick up yourself.
Because I've been inquiring. But I heard someone came to the crowd, but yeah.
Yeah, it was me.
But my numbers are right there, Akeynote, see?
It's all the one time we got the number already.
Yeah.
We noticed the number.
Right. So when the person called, because I already closed up, I wasn't far away.
Yeah.
But it takes a long time to open back, you know.
Okay.
You get alarm system and thing.
Yeah. So you never bother.
And once it goes off, I have to wait until it comes.
Okay. So they would have to come and... Leroy, them round there, right? Leroy. Is he round there?
Yes, man, Leroy. Works with my cousin, yes.
Yeah.
Miss Blanche was like my mother's sister, you know.
Yeah.
Peaceful and loving.
Yeah.
And number 10 is right opposite.
Right opposite, yeah.
And Ken Booth was on there, so Ken Booth. Oh, you know Ken Booth?
No.
Great grandson.
Yeah. Me never born or me a baby, one of them.
I see.
You see that one of them? I wasn't there them time there. But remember
So
those
I
days.
called Sandra tonight.
Yeah. I was just trying to call her, but I'm not getting
No, you
her.
don't get her now.
So maybe she's at work. So
Yes.
we're gonna drop them off and
Yes.
then we and I will
Please
talk.
do, yes. Thank you.
Alright then, big up.
Thank you very much, eh?
Yeah.
For coming.
Let me go say hello to
Yes.
Leroy.
Leroy around there, yes.
Yeah. Let's say hello.
Alright, brothers, don't take care now, yeah?
I got ear up.
Link up here, link up. Come on, link up.
Alright, Mr. Riley. Boom, I'm gonna check round this off here a minute. Alright guys, so these are the stuff that we just got from Sandra, you know, and picked up from Riley. Yeah, but we're gonna be the fisherman then before we move. See him where, you know. So hopefully Leroy is there and the artist. Yeah, rub up your skin and going home.
Yeah man, everything man.
Yeah, I just see Riley and pick up the...
Oh, you just see from what there?
Yeah.
You know what the forward back?
No, I don't get a chance to come back, so I just forward back and get it a while ago. I never know say Mr. Riley across from 10, man.
Eh?
Never know say him live across from 10.
The Riley?
Yeah.
The man that used to live cross, yes and then he live over. Then he move and go to Spanish.
Yeah, because you know Miss Blanche, them and the whole of them.
Yeah, man.
Eh? You told him for that number 10? In front.
Number 3 man in
You're supposed to know my mother then too. Eh? Tweet. Yeah man, him say yeah man. Yeah, you gotta know my mother before. Real Baja, the whole of them. Oh, Baja good man, I know him up in the on the work same way. Yeah, Real Baja. They used to call my mother Christmas. Because Mummy used to dance for them, you know, the Coolie dance. Yeah,
your mother was in charge of it.
Yeah,
she was in charge.
She was in charge of the Coolie dance.
Yeah, she was in charge of it.
No, when they have a big event in a Demantown school, festival, big festival. I mean, I watch Mummy from JDC and time there, you know, I say, watch Mummy and lead out the dance. Yeah. They come from JBC one night time, I don't. Yeah.
And that's all the station was them time there, you know.
Yeah. Remember, man.
All the TV station.
Yeah. Jamaica Broadcasting Channel. So what the artist there? In Ghana?
Artist already, man.
Okay, in Ghana.
Artist gone home already, man. See it, you know?
You see it?
You get the damn beam phone like somebody said, man.
Oh, somebody said it. Yeah, man. Somebody always know somebody watch the program and I want to my program. Somebody always know somebody. And I'm saying, me see you on that channel there. Always the case. So, Leroy. You know everything, right?
Alright, thank you. Yes, sir.
Alright then. Them swim arounds.
Yeah.
General, big up, you know. Eh? Them say? Oh, round swim. Them a swim around, them a round swim. So them have for uno. Okay, okay. Gonna wait for them to swim around. Alright, we catch up then.
Alright.
Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, every time. Yeah, man, cool. General, pick up, you know. Yeah. Round swim. I hear so we come buy the fish there, man. I see him link from out here, so. Let me lock up them in there, man. Yeah.
Come here, come on.
Eh?
Drink a beer.
Drink a beer? No, come drink a beer.
Hey, hot or cold?
I want to hot or cold.
A beer, we have cold beer now.
Come. Right, let's.
Heavy.
Yeah. So right there, Valley, the great Ray and his nephew over here. Oh, their buckles are empty. Whoa, go on. See it there.
Yeah, drink a cold beer, man.
Alright, respect, right? Respect.
Alright, see what I do.
Yeah.
That's right.
You want a cigarette?
Weed,
alright.
Thanks, and with that talk about you, man.
Respect. We will link up, man.
Yes, man. Respect, right? Look at you, me I drive, I can't open my yet.
Take care, yeah.
Alright, big
I link up
here.
here.
Yeah, man.
It's all Leroy.
Yeah, I saw Leroy.
Yeah, he's there, yes.
He's getting ready to leave.
Alright,
then take care, yeah?
Take care.
Yeah, man. Alright, guys, so Mr. Riley gave us a drink, you know? Worship, I get what we want as well, too. Man, them get a beer.
Yeah, that me have to do, so I'll give me have a little done.
So guys, remember, see it here? So here is Mr. Riley contact number for the gift shop.
Yeah, man, so where's that?
You know, me always that family.
Where's that?
Always that, yeah.
Gift shop, Mr. Riley.
34, 8, 51, 65.
Yeah.
8, 5, 06, 58. Right here, down at the
craft, there's a crash on the craft market, we're going to miss it. Alright guys, so we're going to edit now with these stuff. And then we're going to drop them off. We're going to start them out as well. We're going to start them out as well. We're trying to get everything quick and fast. So I see cranberry names them and stuff. I see some of the members them name it as well on some of the boxes. So we're going to run through and so I go on, you know, and make sure it's ready. Drop them off where they're used to. Alright, come here, Jinjin. Come here, we'll take them on. So this bag said cranberry. That's a cranberry. In the box now. Let's just some order. 30. Let's bring them come here, sir. You can start them off first, because I know one hour. So, yeah, she said the kitchen stuff them have a cranberry, but names them on some stuff. Still not get sure what to say. Oh, boy with heart problem. At a worship Miller son. Yeah. That is a boy with heart problem. So, not after that.
Equalizer. Equalizer.
Them are the kitchen stuff them.
ring. You know him call you?
Oh. The phone in the bag.
But I must like him and discharge him tomorrow.
Okay.
Very much.
Hold on. Then the kitchen top them off a cranberry then. This is a cranberry too. Try to take out this top them off the cranberry. Sucks. Cranberry, that's it. Cranberry. This
sugar, brown sugar.
Listen. Oh, Patrick. Oh, no, Patrick, Muslim man. More kitchen stuff. More kitchen stuff for them. So this cranberry. It's a Patrick. Name the condition of the rubber. Patrick. Patrick. Well, at least name the pan them, so. Round red. You say key, you know, round red is a full time we are cook. Round red. Cutting mat. Cranberry. The cutting mat there. Yeah, put them in there. What is this now? Black. Cranberry. See a spoon there? Wrap them up in one of the towel then. Tell me properly.
Spoon in the post, but not spoon in the something.
General. This Patrick. Cranberry. Cranberry. This cranberry. I like the way she write names them, so it's more easier now. Cranberry. Let me see. More cranberry.
When the bag them, whenever I come back from
them supposed to in there. Cranberry. Look at see them now one box. Cranberry. This said Patrick. Cranberry. Patrick. Alright, put Patrick stuff in that bag. Yeah. Put Patrick stuff in that bag there. This one. And then I don't name. Cranberry. Seasoning key, you know. Seasoning. So Patrick, put in a Patrick bag. Cranberry. So one for Patrick, one for cranberry. Garlic powder, that are mine. Hey, put this in this one. So sweet and fish cranberry. What are mine? All purpose. Patrick, put in a Patrick bag. Cranberry. And that's that. So these are the box them now with names. Wormy. Wormy now there. Esther. 30 grand. 30G.
30G. Respect you.
I'm Sandra.
Anybody? Alright. Sandra from where? From
US.
Sandra from US. Yeah man. Respect and give her thanks man. You see me I say appreciate this gift man. You see me I say enough respect.
Yes.
Yeah, man. One team.
It's a Jella. It's a boom. Dynamite. Sandra.
Sandra, blessed and one love and thanks. Blessed, thanks.
Definitely so. This cranberry. Cranberry there. It's a prefect. Jackson. Jella. Esther. Wormy. Them not have no name. Okay. One of this one of them can share up this amongst each other. And you can share that amongst each other. Munchies. And the rice as well to know. Oh, let me see what. What my that bag in? Let me see what go on. No? Is that what you put in there for drink for my straw that?
Yeah, straw, but you have something this man here. Something else in rubber.
Oh, yeah.
Cover.
What the funny in this there?
Rub with the cover.
It's not saying no name. So, the shoes this, so I have to contact her. So she can tell me who's to get these shoes. These have any names. Put that one away. This is our cranberry. And what is the Akeynote. On the floor. Cranberry. What is that? Aisle. Cookings. And the bag here we say cranberry as well. So we have 2 bags of stuff there for cranberry. Alright guys, so we give thanks to Sandra. Sandra, we thank you so much, for all these blessings. We thank you so much for the love. We thank you for the stuff for cranberry, and thank you for the stuff for the members them as well too. We thank you so much for all of that. We cannot stop. Thank you. It's nothing but love and love alone. So I'm gonna contact Sandra to find out about the shoes. Yeah, because the shoes got no name on it, so we don't know who the shoes belong to. So the shoes have got no name. Chicken thief! You got thief more chicken. Chicken thief. Yes, Poochie guys. It's coming from the pool.
So I'm just take a look,
Wash off.
Yeah.
Jamaica. Jamaica is hot. We give Poochie some of the biscuit.
Yeah, man, I get some of my one, man.
You want a biscuit?
So we got one biscuit.
Big up yourself, Poochie. So we have Poochie here, guys. Colorful, outful.
Big up on yourself all the time, guys.
You're eating big food, when you eat them things, your foot get big.
No, my foot can't get again.
Yeah, man, I get big, man.
I'm done grow already, nothing can't get big again. Nothing at all.
He said, nothing at all. You hear that guy? She said, nothing at all can big again. Nothing at all.
Can't big again.
Nothing at all. If it never big already, can't big again. So, she must know. She must know. I won't have to go find out that.
Yeah, man, I'm going to figure it out, man.
I'm going to figure it out. I'm going to figure out what she say. So people still can't, people stop thief chicken?
Well, chicken no stop raising us and I can't stop thief chicken.
Oh, them can't stop thief chicken. Okay. Okay. So say that she can't stop thief chicken. Because people not bad for them missing chicken. I don't mean it done stuck already can't go in. For the missing fowls.
So handsome not bring no more come back here.
No, so for your thief?
Yeah.
You really want thief more chicken? Come on, chicken thief.
The man them bring all oxtail now.
I was saying step it up.
Yeah.
From chicken to oxtail.
To oxtail.
I hear you.
Now what you could have do right now.
That's it there, right there, so. Wormy in the, oh, wormy, I could say wormy and everything. So, cranberry. I'll put them in a bit. Man, I'm gone. Then disappear. Jenna, here's a box for you from Sandra.
Sandra.
From the US.
Sandra, thank you very much. Your food basket never empty.
Alright, so come share up some rice. So yeah, share up some rice, you know. See the race, make it work. So yeah, people Jackson, hurry up here. Boom and whoa, boy, we get yours already? Right?
No, I'm going to take out the rice, man. You need to go back there, man.
You don't want to look in your box yet, though. Yeah. If we get them a print. I'm going to lick my boy as well.
On master level, you hear that?
Lick up. I do have some soup, just some boy down here.
Oh, okay. Oh, and we're out the kitchen. That are tidy. Outside the shop, the man are tidy. I wash his feet.
Just boil some soup and them things up.
This is our wormy shower in Georgetown. Wash him feet, wash him hand, and then say beard.
Yeah, man. Yeah, I say we're fresh.
And then say beard style. Wormy, your name is on this box.
F.
From Sandra.
Sandra. One Sandra, you know. Big up yourself. Love and love alone. Big up every time. One GinGin. I always appreciate any little thing. Even if it's small like an ants, still I say thanks.
Of course.
Big up.
Every time.
I love. One GinGin.
Take up on them rice as well too.
That's it. Food have to cook.
Food have to cook. Yeah.
See it there? Food have to cook. Simmer down some rice, you know. Later, it's a back or something.
How you mean? Something I forgot with that.
Oh, as at 2 o'clock me cook.
Alright.
Anytime.
Something I forgot with that.
Yeah.
And no matter what.
One Sophia. Every time.
Sandra.
Oh, Sandra. One Sandra.
Every time.
Big up every time. Sandra.
Oh, we have one for prefect. Patrick.
Yes, Kino.
Patrick, it's been a while.
Long time I see Kino.
Yeah, it's been a while, you know. Somebody I passed by, come have this bag for you.
Yeah.
Yeah, some stuff we picked up today. And we got your names and stuff in the bag. From Sandra, you know.
Yeah, thank you very
Like we
much.
see you have rice, you have your sugar, you have your wheat snacks as well too. oil and them stuff there in the bag.
Yes, thank you. God bless.
And you have the seasoning in it from.
I never have none for cooking that. 2 months ago, just eat a while ago.
Oh, come
hungry.
see the mango up on your beard all about.
Yeah, man, 2 months ago, just eat a while ago. I don't have none for eating. I'm hungry. God say I know. So I have none for cook. I'm hungry. Yeah, man.
So you have rice and that. So I don't think there's any thin stuff in it. You see $1,000, you can buy some thin stuff.
Thank you, Kino. God bless.
So you have rice and things, so you can buy little thin stuff to cook with that then.
Yeah, yes, but Kino.
Yeah.
Sanja, God bless you, Sanja. Thank you very much. I never have nothing. If you say 2 months, I just eat a while ago.
Mango.
Because I'm just hungry. I don't eat nothing from morning.
Yeah.
You see? God bless you, Sanja. God bless you, Sanja. God will guide and protect you and make life easy for you.
Yeah.
Make it successful in your work where you do or your job where you do. God bless.
Alright then, so take care, yeah?
Yes, Kino.
Alright, go and big up yourself.
Yes,
Right?
Kino. Thank you very much.
Yeah, man.
Thank you. And God bless Sanja.
Yeah, man. Alright. Yeah. So I got this package from Sandra as well for the little boy with the heart problem. But I guess his dad is at work, so I'm gonna make him have this as well. Come here. Come here, boy. How are you do? Picking mango? No. And a mango you pick? Alright, so here's something here for you that someone sent. A lady called Sandra. You know, so you can thank Sandra.
Thanks Auntie Sandra for sending this. I'm going to look on it soon. Thanks very much.
Alright then, say good otherwise, right? Alright then, cool. So take it easy, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so anything else, so blessed love. So we give thanks to Sandra. You know, what got happened take my boyfriend. Oh, go on. See you down in your phone long time. Alright guys, so I'm gonna get some of those flyers to print, some big ones, big posters for the back to school treat as well too. You know, so Sandra, blessings and big up yourself. You know the thing goes. Nothing but love and love and peace. GinGin, one team. Jackson, come for this thing.
You get me? See if I can share if I green or rice.
Yeah. Jackson. Said Rasta Jackson. And from the Jacksons, I'm a Rasta Jackson's family. This gift for you from Sandra.
Sandra. Yeah, Sandra. Many thanks, huh? Yeah. This is many more, and give thanks and praise every time. Rastafari guide the footstep where that can come in here. We love every time. All the extended family, more than love, you know.
Yes,
big up yourself every time, you know.
Yes.
Yeah.
Some rice as well to share up for the members then.
Yeah, love you every time.
Yeah. And we have some rice here for Gio as well too.
Give thanks, you know. One dream team in here, you know the code already, you know.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, big up to all the donors them and the extended family. Yeah, we out here put in the work, you know. Big up to everyone. Thanks to the rights. All the too.
Yes, sir.
You know, they say, dream team back to school.
Yes, sir.
Alright, you know, so you have to look out for that one.
Yeah, the 16th of August.
16th of August. People remember, you know, bring out the kids them early. Surely.
Yeah, you know, avoid any disappointment.
Yeah.
See there? It's there. See the dream team back to school treat. You see they come out early to avoid any disappointment, because when the crowd were there sometime, some people not getting a bag, some kids not getting a bag because they reach late, so them way at the back of the line. So earlier the better, you know. So that is it, guys. Everything of blessed love every time. One dream team.
Yeah, so yeah.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica.
You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch it now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.